Good evening, Poohske here. How are we doing tonight? Today we went to see a kendo fight, and it was raining, so there's not much of me test driving today. But we did make improvement on the system we've been working on. But first, today's snack is something unique. Now this is common in Japan, but it has peanuts, these little dough or fried dough, and this is the part that weirds out most people. It has these tiny little honey glazed fish. They're absolutely delicious. They're actually sweet. So go ahead and go, ew, but they're actually really good. Okay, now getting going. Yesterday we talked about this part, swinging it to itself, and cutting down the effectiveness of how it works. So it normally hangs on the rims like this. Well, we built a little add-on. We put a post on the swing arm, so that when it swings towards the bike, it stops. So it now won't go past that 45-degree or the 90-degree angle, which is good, which is what we wanted. That's like the sweet spot where there's the most amount of friction and it's most efficient, and it serves one more purpose too. I put a small rubber band from there to the back just to make sure it doesn't swing all the way out. So it's always at least somewhat touching the wheel. And as soon as it touches the rim, like the instant it touches even slightly, it pulls itself into the bike and throws you forward. Not really, but it does help it grip the rim quicker. And that works. Now with the bigger motors, you don't need to do it because of the momentum of the torque. When it just kicks in, it pulls itself. But these little ones, they need a little help. But let's see. And then I redid some of the wiring too to make it a little cleaner, and in preparation for the case for the two controllers. And let's see, just an apple. So they're both working fine. They're not like those. This is about half. This is about max. That'd be the max, and this is crazy. But one on each side helps out a lot. And this is the basic idea. Oh, something's frying. Well, that was unique. I wonder what fried. The controller? No. No, the controllers are fine. Ah, okay. Sorry. One of the wires that connects the two controllers together, the protective plastic broke off. I was kind of scared, but it's okay. Nothing. It's a removable part. It's easy to take off and throw away. But that with the new swing arm, it now stops it from running into the rim, and that's what we want. And I'm going to show you a short clip of that, and that's basically all we did today. We had the kendo fight this morning, and I'll show a video of that as well. When the offsprings wanted to fight each other, or they had a tournament. And then we rebuild the part, and then tonight we'll probably start printing the case for the controllers. So we'll see how that goes. Tomorrow I should have a clip. I probably, unless I absolutely destroyed something just now, I'll probably ride the bike to work, and I'll have a nice review of a nice 20, 15 kilometer or 20, 30 kilometer ride. So we'll see how that goes. Thank you very much for joining. See you tomorrow. Okay, I opened them up. Actually, It's not the connectors to the splitter, the one that splits the battery. It's the actual ESC. Look, it barbecued. Look, I'm gonna power it up, and you should see it start glowing red. Ready? How the hell can I do this and plug it in together? Okay, well, I'm gonna have to be quick. And if this might be the last vlog if I burn out the house. And you can see it. Oh, it's not getting hot this time. It was glowing red a second ago. Will it still run? Look how crispy it is. It's a crappy video camera. Should we connect the servo tester? I don't smell burning yet. Well, it smells like burning, but that's from earlier. Let's see what happens. Huh, they're both working. Let's turn it on. Are you ready? Whoa. The left one doesn't work. See, this one died. R.I.P. there, controller. R.I.P. You did a good job for years. Oh, it kind of powers up. Why does it work slightly? Look, it looks like you can tell it's twitching, which means the 2 out of the 3 cables are working, and this third cable isn't. So it needs all 3 because it rotates the connection around. So it's like, okay, now I'm positive, now I'm negative, and it keeps between the 3. It keeps the motor spinning, and only 2 of them are working, so it's just going back and forth, left, right, left, right. What if I can fix that? Add pressure. Oh, it's crazy hot too. Ah. But let's unplug that before it starts smoking again. These were the motor and the ESC were total at $10, brand new. So they're I mean, we could spend more, but that's not the point of this project. We're trying to keep the bike from a regular bike to an e-bike with under $50. So tomorrow we're going to use one of, if I can get them off. Why must you fight me? Let go. Alright, well, we're going to use this guy. Now this guy's for the bigger motors, but it can handle from 2 to 6S, which means it can handle from 7 to 22 volts. So we'll put this guy on there. This guy has a cool gold connector, so this guy has the cheapo Dollar Tree 100 yen connector. So we'll give this guy new connectors. Congratulations. And we'll use this one tomorrow on our little bike ride to work, if it doesn't rain. Thank you very much, and wish me luck. I'm gonna eat one more fish for good luck. These are really good. Now, you may think that, oh Christ, they're just little tiny fish. If you get over the fact that we've never eaten this before, if you think of it more of a little shrimp, they're really, really, really good. They're honey glazed. It's like the Krispy Kreme of fish, kind of. Have a good night. Thank you.